Hello all, welcome to Appalamma's kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of banana milkshake. This doesn't include the addition of ice cream. It's a very easy one and can be done in flat 5 minutes. Let's get to preparing now. For this milkshake, I've taken this big bananas, of which I picked 2. Just peel them and just keep them ready. Now just make them into half and transfer them into blender. As anyway we are going to blend them, we need not make them into fine pieces. Now add 1 tablespoon sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar as per your taste. And now 1/4 spoon of vanilla essence. If you don't have vanilla essence, you can add any fruit essence, other fruit essence. And few ice cubes. And 1 cup of milk. This is 140 ml milk. This is at room temperature. Now blend everything together. The milkshake is ready. If the milk is chilled, you may skip adding ice cubes. But anyway, if you would like to have those ice cubes while you have the milkshake, you may add them as well. And now just garnish it with few pista pieces. The healthy and tasty milkshake is ready. But please make sure that you just blend it coarse so that we would find few pieces of ice cubes and few pieces of banana here and there to have that very nice experience while we consume the juice. The bite of the ice cubes and banana, it's just awesome. I just personally love it, so I've just made it like this. Hope you like this recipe. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, share it among your friends and relatives, and please do subscribe to Appalamma's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.